Hi, my name is Tim Delashmutt, and I'm a software engineer at Audio Power Labs. This here is the inside of the 50 TNT amplifier I showed you in the previous video. Over here we have the PFC, which takes AC in and generates a DC voltage. This DC voltage actually feeds the high voltage power supply and also several other power supplies in the system. On this side of the aisle we have several switching power supplies. Most of them are 12 volts here. This one is a 48 volt power supply. And over here is the main board in this system. We have four relays over here to allow AC to flow into the PXC and other areas. There's an Ethernet switch over here. We have another 12 volt switching power supply here. Over here we have high voltage switching power supplies that can produce between 400 and 600 volts. Those are adjustable with potentiometers. We have some regular ICs on the system over here. This screen here is connected to the Mini 2440 board, which is a Linux-based operating system using Qt to generate the GUI interface and I2C communication to communicate to the rest of the circuitry on the system. We have an encoder push-button combination here so that we can control the GUI interface, and we have a simulated speaker load right here. And this board over here is the transformer board, where we have tubes on the outside and we have transformers in the middle. We have a lot of circuitry here that mostly generates voltages for the tubes, filament voltage, the plate voltage. We also measure tube current in here to make sure we're getting the best quality sound through the amplifier. Now we can use the encoder here with the GUI interface, and as we turn the encoder you can see us highlighting different buttons. And we're going to stop on the power on button, and when we push that it jumps to the power on screen. The fan started. Power supplies will start activating here. We'll hear clicking going on, and you'll see voltages become activated that power the vacuum tubes. This is our R&D model that we use to do all of our software testing on to make sure that the amplifier works as we think it should. That concludes our demonstration of the 50 TNT amplifier. Thank you.